Welcome to Draw with Bunny. Today we are going to draw a very cute fish. So let's get started. In the first step, we will draw the body of the fish. And now, let's draw an almond shape like this, curving along. Now from this point, make this curve like this, going down, and now going up, just like this. The first step is complete. Now in the second step, we will draw the tail of our fish. For that, I will draw a triangle. From this point, a straight line like this, and then another straight line, and then from this point, we will attach the tail with the body. Now I will add some cute details in the tail. Some straight lines inside the tail. Our second step is complete. Now in the third step, we will draw the fins of our fish. For that, at the middle of this body, we will draw again a triangle, an inclined line like this, and then a straight line. The top fin is ready. Now at the bottom, repeating the same step, straight line like this, and then an inclined line. Our third step is now complete. Now in the fourth step, I will be making the eye and the mouth. For that, I will draw a circle, slowly and steadily like this. Now I will draw a smaller circle at the edge of this larger circle, and then a third smaller circle at the edge of this circle. Now I will fill this space. Here we go. Now I will add a cute little smile on our happy little fish. Our fourth step is complete. Now in the fifth step, I will draw the scales of our fish. So follow along. A little curved line like this. Again, a little curved line. Now repeat this pattern till the end. This will be a small wavy pattern for the scales. Drawing another line like this. Then again repeating the step. Now, the last scale line. Here we go. All our 5 steps are now complete. And in the next step, I will make my drawing a bit more prominent, and I will fast forward this step. Now it's time to paint our fish. First of all, I will be using light pink color for its head and for its 2 fins. You can color your fish whichever color you like. Now for the tail, I will be using purple color. Now for these two set of scales, I will be using bright red color. Now for these last two set of scales, I will be using light blue color. Yay! Our drawing is now complete. See you in the next video with another cute drawing. Bye bye.